subscribe. Hello YouTube friends and welcome to Aldo. Today on Aldo Style, I will be wearing my memade dresses. So I have three dresses here on the rack and plus this one that I am wearing already. Let's go ahead and start with this one. Absolutely love this dress. It is very flattering. For the first dress, I paired it with some pointed nude pumps to elongate my legs. So this dress is actually a half circle dress. My purse, I decided to use this pink crossbody bag that I had been using in a lot of my fashion videos. I absolutely love it. It's just a pale pink crossbody bag from DKNY. I actually got it from TJ Maxx a year ago. I really love the print of this dress. It's very complimenting on a petite size body. Strategically placed big patterns is actually okay for a petite size. But big prints overall on the fabric, that is a no-no because it will overwhelm your frame really quickly. I really like the ruffle detail on the sleeves. It adds some detail on a simple basic dress. This outfit is very chic and it makes me look tall and slim. So the next dress that I will be wearing is this plaid dress that I made long time ago as well. It has pleats and it has a beautiful pattern that actually is very flattering. So let's go ahead and style this one. Next outfit, it's actually like an homage to my high school uniform. I really like it. It just reminds me of that fun time during my youth. Added a black belt that I got from H&M months ago, and I also paired it with this nude pumps. I decided to grab the sunglasses just to test it out what it's gonna look like. I actually kind of like it. And then I put it on my head and I actually forgot that it was there the whole time. Here I decided to switch my shoes to a pair of black stilettos. I absolutely love how timeless this dress is and it's very age appropriate. As you can see, just changing the accessories will change the vibe of this outfit. Now that I switch into a black pair of shoes, it kind of reminds me of Kate Middleton style dress. Busy prints fabrics like this, you don't need a lot of accessories just because the fabric or the dress itself is the accessory. As you can see, this dress also makes me look tall and slim just because the shoes are very elongating. For the third dress is this yellow dress that was inspired by the movie About Time. I watched that movie and I absolutely fell in love with the character and the outfit that she was wearing in the movie. And one of the outfits was a yellow dress that I believe was from Zara. So I decided to recreate it and this is what I came up with. I absolutely love the illusion top or illusion neckline. I think it just add little extra on the dress and plus I love this pattern. I love this fabric and this is a seersucker fabric which is perfect for summer because it is lightweight but still a thick fabric that it's not going to make you really hot during those hot summer days. So this dress is like one of the earliest dresses that I made when I started posting sewing tutorials on my channel. So let me go ahead and style this one for you guys. For the third outfit is a beautiful midi dress that is inspired by a Zara dress. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so happy when I put this dress on. It still fits me. Oh my gosh, I made this like 2014, I believe, and it still fits me. Thank goodness. Here I just paired it with a nude sandals that I absolutely love. Thanks to my sister for gifting it to me. She actually has a YouTube channel. I'm going to have her channel link down in the description box below. Anyway, let's go back to the outfit. So I just use this crossbody bag as my accessories, and I like that the strap is elongating my body and it also break up the solid color of the dress. I love that it gives the outfit a vintage vibe. This outfit is very put together and very effortless. It is very simple and minimalist. It looks very fresh, like a ray of sunshine. I actually get a lot of compliment whenever I wear this dress. And last but not the least is this black dress. This was actually a vintage dress that was size large when I bought it, and I resized it to fit me, and then I added this applique, and yeah, I absolutely love the neckline. I think this is called a like a sweetheart neckline. I believe it's like a wide V-neck. It's very flattering. I haven't worn this anywhere just because this is very dressy and I don't go to a lot of, events. There's no events in my horizon. But anyway, I absolutely love this dress. If ever I get invited to a nice party, I might wear this one. Let me go ahead and style this one. Oh my goodness, look at that cheesy grin on my face. I am so happy. This dress is like so beautiful. Feel like doing a flamenco dance. Oh my goodness. This dress is actually a full circle skirt dress and it is very twirly. Love a good little black dress, and this dress is it. Very flattering, and look at the neckline. It makes me look slim and tall. And because it is a gathered full circle skirt, it gave me some curves that I absolutely love. I paired it with all black accessories and it looks so beautiful. It's very elegant and classy. I absolutely love it. It's very flattering on my petite size. It actually make me look tall and slim. And here I switched my shoes to a nude pair of stilettos, and it also looked really nice. Now it looks more of a daytime dress. The neckline of the dress is elongating, therefore it makes me look tall. Same with the shoes because it matches my skin tone. It makes my legs look longer. And here I did a full circle twirl. I didn't go all the way just because this is very twirly. Full circle skirt dresses or skirt is not the outfit for a windy day, I'm telling you. So those are all the dresses that I wore this week, except for this one. I didn't really wear this outside, just these three, but not this one. This one is just like I just wore it in the house just because I can. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this video, like wearing my me-made garments or dresses. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like fashion related videos such as sewing, DIY, style, and shopping, be sure to be in the know by subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification as well so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!